the good wall of Asia.
Saint Michael the Archangel, defend us in battle. Be our protection against the wickedness and errors of the devil. May God rebuke him, we humbly pray. And do thou, Prince of the heavenly host, may the power of God cast out Satan and all evil spirits who prowl around the world, seeking the ruin of souls. Amen.
Saan ka pupunta?
Sa wall of Asia.
Si ate, sino ang hindi nakatulog? Sino ang hindi nakatulog?
Ako.
Sino ang pangalawang hindi nakatulog? Ang third floor. Ate! So, bago mag-skating, si My Love, dito muna kami sa food hall ng SM Mall of Asia. Hanap lang kami ng aming makakainan. Ayan. So, we're here. We're done with the step 1. Are you excited? Excited. Step 2. Payment.
We actually got for 11:30 to the 1:30.
Anong oras daw ba?
Alas, ano pa? 2:15. Kasi... So, nandito kami sa fully book. And hinahanap ko si Yasha and Zamira. At naghahanap sila ng anime books. Here. Vampire. Ganda ng mga books. Ayan. So, I found them. So, ano na ang book na bibilhin? So, papunta na kami sa Golden Phoenix Hotel. Doon muna kami mag-sleep for tonight.
So we're gonna
And later, babalik ulit kami dito sa MOA. Kasi we're gonna see the sunset at the Sky Garden.
and we're gonna see the
We're here at Golden Phoenix. And my love, that's so excited. Excited?
one.
Yeah. Oh. Dito tayo. Wow. Saan kayo pupunta? So, pabalik na kami ng MOA from Phoenix Hotel. And, ayun yung NU MOA, oh. Bye, Mall of Asia! See you soon! Balik ulit kami dito. So, we're going back to the hotel. Andun siya. Medyo malayo pa siya. Ayan. Balik kami sa hotel. Overnight muna kami for one night. Ito yung CR. Okay naman yung CR nila. Ganda. And ito dyan. And see you. Bye. Golden Phoenix. Babush. Ready na. Uwian na. Bye.
You said no partner. The partner. Yeah.
Yes, 586. Yeah, 586 be.